Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the follow back problem on Instagram. If you are unable to follow someone back or the button isn't working, follow these quick steps to troubleshoot the issue. The first thing you should try is first closing the Instagram app. Swipe up from the bottom, then swipe Instagram away. After first closing, reopen Instagram and check if the follow back button works now. Next, clear cache or reinstall Instagram. On Android, clearing the cache can often fix the issue. Go to Settings, tap Apps, Apps again, select Instagram, and then tap Clear Cache. If you are on an iPhone, uninstall Instagram and reinstall it from the App Store. After clearing the cache or reinstalling, log back into your account and try the follow back button again. Step 3. Switch internet connection. Sometimes a weak or unstable connection can affect app performance. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try again. Wait a few hours. Instagram may temporarily block certain actions like following, if you've done it too many times in a short period. Wait a few hours and try following back again. If the issue persists, report it to Instagram. Go to your profile, go to the settings, scroll down and select Help, then tap Report a Problem to let Instagram know about the issue. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the follow back problem on Instagram. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!